Welcome to Bake It with AJ. I'm AJ, and you know what? I know it's June, but we're gonna make some devil's food pancakes because why not? I'm a pancake freak anyway, so it's only a matter of time before I make a chocolate version. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every Wednesday for new episodes of Bake It with AJ. This is a very quick and easy batter, which is one of the many reasons I love it so much. I've been making this recipe for a very long time. So in a bowl here I have 1 cup or 150 grams of all-purpose flour, to which I'm adding 1/3 cup or 28 grams of unsweetened cocoa powder, 3 tablespoons or 45 grams of granulated sugar, or if you want to use a sugar replacement such as stevia, that works lovely in this as well, a teaspoon or 3 grams of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon or 4 grams of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon or about 1/2 gram of salt. You want to mix all these together until they are the best of friends, and then in a measuring cup here I have 1.5 cups or 308 grams of buttermilk with 1 large egg, which is around 52 grams, 1.5 teaspoons or 6 grams of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons or 37 grams of vegetable oil. We're going to whisk all those together until they're a nice family and add them to the dry mixture. Now the key with any really good pancake batter is you want to mix it pretty minimally, so this is going to be lumpy. You don't want to keep mixing this until it's totally smooth. Once you have a nice thick lumpy batter like this, we're going to cover it with plastic and we're going to chill it for about 10 minutes. While it's chilling, I have my griddle here that I've preheated to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 Celsius. But if you don't have a griddle, don't you worry, my friend. You can use a large skillet on the stove, hence the name Pancakes, it's where they came from. Just heat about 1.5 tablespoons of unsalted butter over a medium heat until it is nice and bubbly. And once our surfaces are preheated here, I'm just using a cookie scoop like this so I can get nice even sized pancakes, but you can pour whatever size your heart desires. You want to cook them on the first side for about 2 minutes until you see some bubbles start to appear on the surface. The edges will start to turn a paler color as well. You want to give them a nice little flippity dip and then cook them for another 2 minutes or until they are cooked through. Just stack them up on a plate. If you want to add some chocolate chips with them too, if you're like me, chocolate is just, you can't have enough, go for it. Maple syrup, all the fixings, there we have it. And I've already eaten them because they were so good. But trust me, these are amazing, and if you want to splurge breakfast or brunch, these are definitely the thing to make. The recipe can be found using the link in the description, so go check that out. Be sure to leave me some comments and hit that thumbs up button, and join me every Wednesday for new episodes of Bake It with AJ. I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.